beautiful people. Today I'm going to show you how to make liquid soap from the comfort of your home. Stay tuned. My beautiful people, come closer because today we are not just cooking, we are formulating. That is right. Today we are about to become part chef, part chemist, and full-blown domestic genius, all from the comfort of our humble kitchen. You see this bottle of liquid soap, Before now, it used to intimidate me. I thought only factory people with lab coats can do this thing. But guess what? Until one fateful day, I had enough of buying watered down soap that only foams in theory. And that was the moment, the birth of soap by Chef Jemmy. With just water, some chemicals, do not panic, they are friendly type, and a bold spirit, you are going to make this liquid soap yourself. Because mixing this soap is like mixing relationships. If you rush it, skip steps, or ignore warning signs, you are gonna cry at the end. But if you stay patient, steer with intention, and observe, OMG, you get peace, foam, and joy. As we start combining ingredients, let me tell you, this part looks simple, but do not be deceived. Liquid soap is like life. It's clear at first, then cloudy, then clear again. You stare and start to question yourself. Did I do something wrong? Why is it not thick? Who sent me a message? Oh, relax, my positive vibers. Just like destiny, some things take time to settle. Even good soap has its ugly face, but it always comes out clean. I love the part of adding scent and color, and guess what? It is the second to the last and the last chemical to add. The part of adding the scent and the color is the part I call the confidence stage. Just like us, when we add lip gloss or fine outfit after birth, everything starts making sense. This is your reminder. Life might not always smell sweet at first, but when you put in the work, even your struggle can start to shine and glow. So go ahead, add that fragrance, stir in the minty freshness, because clean and fine is the combo we are chasing. After all the stirring, the mixing, guess what? You have to let these chemicals rest. Yeah, so even soap needs to rest and reflect. If you touch it too soon, it might misbehave, but leave it for some hours and boom, you come back to find it clear, thick, and beautiful. Just like you, my dear positive vibers. Sometimes your season of rest is not laziness, it's preparation for your big reveal. Now, when it comes to the fun part, which is the part of bottling the result of all our hard work, this is when you realize, I made this with my own hands. And in that moment, you feel like a kitchen boss, because nothing beats the joy of DIY success. You didn't borrow money. You didn't cry at the supermarket price. You didn't beg any neighbor for liquid soap. You just made your own soap, and now your kitchen will sparkle like your future. Let me tell you, the first time I used my soap to wash dishes and heard the squeaky clean sound, I danced. Every bubble is a reminder that you can create value with your own hands. Whether you're in a big house or one-room apartment, you can still do magic. This soap may be liquid, but the lessons are solid. Don't underestimate what you can do. Don't wait for the perfect tool. Start with what you have. Your kitchen is not just for food, it's a factory of possibilities. So if you're watching this thinking, me, make soap from scratch? My answer is yes, you, in capital letters. It's not about being a pro, it's about being willing to learn. Make mistakes, mix again, laugh at yourself, then stand tall and say, I made liquid soap. I am unstoppable. Your hands are blessed, your mind is brilliant, and your kitchen, it is a powerhouse. So my dear positive vibers, what have we learned today? Liquid soap isn't scary. Chemistry isn't just for science class, it's for saving your kitchen budget. Life is full of stages. Cloudy now doesn't mean cloudy forever. And if you can make soap, darling, you can do anything. I remain my humble self, Chef Jamie, your kitchen creator, your DIY warrior, signing out with kitchen hands and a cleaner spirit. All right, beautiful people, if you're still here, then congratulations, you are now officially part of the kitchen soup gang. Let's quickly recap what we just did. We took some humble ingredients, water, SLS, and the rest. All the ingredients are captured in the video, and I'm going to capture the measurement in the description, and turn them into a powerful kitchen liquid soap that even your ancestors will approve of. Yeah, so no more buying overpriced half foaming soap that smells like regret. Today we become chemists in aprons, soap bosses with style, and prove that you don't need to lab to do big things. You just need boldness and a mixing bowl. And along the way, we learned some real life lessons, didn't we? One, we learned how to be patient. Even soap needs some time to settle. Mix it with care. What you put in shows in the end. Add your fragrance because your vibe matters. Your vibe matters. And rest, my people. Even soap needs to sit and chill before it becomes magic. I know some of you started this video thinking this is too much, but now look at you understanding chemicals, making thick soap, and probably calculating how much you save the next month. Let me just tell you this: if you can make soap, then you can make anything. Soap is not just about cleaning plates. It's a reminder that your hands are blessed. In fact, next time life gets messy, just whisper, "Do not worry, I'll clean it like I cleaned that pot of jollof." I am a soap maker now. Now go forth, my beautiful positive vibers. Wash plates with pride, clean counters with confidence, and when your neighbor asks, "Where did you buy the soap?" just smile and say, "I made it. Chef Jamie taught me. We don't play in this kitchen." Don't forget to like the video. Do not forget to share the video with someone who needs hope, hygiene, and humor. And please, if your first soap turns out looking like custard, do no shame with me, of my brother, my sister, okay? Because greatness comes out from growth, and a little foam never hurts anyone. Until next time, you guys enjoy the rest of the video. And as normal, if you have any question, do well to drop it in the comment section. Chef Jamie will be more than excited to reply and clarify you on any stage that you are not clear about. I remain your kitchen chemist, your soap slayer, and positive vibers commander, signing out with a clean hands and a full heart. Stay clean, stay glowing, and never stop learning. Bye for now.